In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a multiple choice question in Paperform. If you're working in the Paperform editor using Chrome and you want to give people a simple list of options to choose from, this process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. Start by opening your form in the Paperform editor. In the editing area, find a blank line where you want your new question to appear and click directly on that empty line. This tells Paperform exactly where you want to insert the new field. So it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure you're placing it in the right section of your form before moving on. Once that blank line is active, look for the Add Field icon. Depending on how your editor appears, this may look like a plus symbol or a gear style icon. Click that icon to open the field options. From there, change the field type to multiple choice. This is the setting you'll use when you want respondents to pick from a list of predefined answers instead of typing their own response. After selecting multiple choice, go to the label text box and type your question. This is the main prompt your audience will read, so make sure it's clear and direct. A well-written label helps people understand exactly what you're asking, which can improve response quality and reduce confusion. Keep the wording simple and specific so the choices make sense right away. Next, move down to the configuration list below the question and enter the options you want to provide. Add each answer choice into the list so respondents can select the one that best fits their response. As you enter these options, try to keep the wording consistent in style and length whenever possible. That makes the question look cleaner and easier to scan. Before you finish, take a quick look over the question and the available choices to make sure everything is spelled correctly and presented in the order you want. Small details like clarity and organization can make a big difference in how easy your form is to complete. And that's it. Once you've clicked a blank line, added a field, changed it to multiple choice, entered your question, and filled in your options, your multiple choice field is ready to use in Paperform.